Everybody, welcome to the Jewelry Making Fun collaboration for the month of June. This month we were to use red, white, and or blue. Could use red or white or blue or all three or just two of them. And then we were to optional try a knotting technique, which I've done. And there was something else. One sec. Incorporate pearls, mother of pearl, and or shell was the other one, which I've done. I used pearls, freshwater pearls. I was going to use these, and I may still. These are mother of pearl and resin, and they are very lightweight, so I'm going to use those for earrings, I think. But I don't know if I don't think I'll use a knotting technique. Alright, so what I used is Beading number 4 silk thread with the needle already on it. And this is what I have left. I think you get 2 meters, which is about 39 inches times 2. So you only need about 1 meter, I guess, to make the necklace, but you'd leave it all on there. And then I have a variety of pearls. I started off, I was going to use French wire and use the traditional, but I was having the way you have to do that at each end is have the needle go through a couple pearls twice. I could not get the needle through the pearl, so I forfeited that idea and I decided to use clamshells. Which I got from Beading, silver plated clamshell knot covers. So I used 2 of those. And then I did use white cultured pearl rounds, 6mm. Those were from jewelrymaker.com a while ago. And the blue, they're diamond shaped. The holes go corner to corner instead of across. So I used those blues. I thought they were really beautiful. They almost have a purpley hint to them. And those were from Fire Mountain. They've been discontinued, but maybe they're called flat diamond 12 by 12. Maybe they have a different number. I don't know. And then also from jewelrymaker.com, I have these mulberry, I don't know what shape, but I guess they're sort of like an oval shape because the hole goes, they're sort of longer, maybe a rice shape or something like that. Anyway, those are the 3 I used. And then I did use GS Hypo Cement for the knots, some tweezers to help with the knotting, and my little bead thread cutting scissors, which I love. These, I forget what these are called, but there was a lady that used to go at shows. I'll have to find her name again, and she used to sell them. I don't know. And then I used a lobster claw clasp that was from BB Craft from last year's haul, and a closed 6mm jump ring from Beading. So let me get this stuff out of the way. I'll be right back and show you what I made. Alright, here it is. I only have one project. It took me a while to do this because I haven't done pearl knotting since like 2013 maybe. So that's a long time. That's what, 9 years ago? And I've only done 2 of them even back then, I think. One of my first necklaces I ever tried and one other one. And yeah, so I didn't do the best job. This will not be for sale because some of them are not as close to the pearls as I'd like, and some of them I actually did 2 or 3 knots to get them closer to the pearl so they weren't sliding around. So I need a little practice with this. This was my practice piece, I'll say. And I don't know how many people really buy red, white, and blue jewelry, but I thought it came out cute. So there is my piece. I just used 5 of the flat diamonds, and then I used the mulberry, you know, a couple of them here with the white in between, and then here I did the 5. See, this one here is too far apart. I did the 5 and 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like it. It should go like that. Yeah, it should. And that's the other thing with pearl knotting. You might not get your spacing exactly right if you don't get the pearls right. Because when I laid it out on my board too, this turned out to be like 18.5 inches with the clasp. But with the knots in between, when I had it laid out on my board, it was like a 16, and I thought it'd be 16.5 with the clasp, but it came out longer than that. So I guess that means you need to leave about 1.5 inches to 2 inches for the length with the knots in between, to consider what the final product might be, plus depending on what kind of clasp you use. So I used, here's the clamshells, I don't know if you can see them, and they don't have a closed loop, so that's like a weakness. Here I used a small 18 gauge 6x4mm oval jump ring onto the clamshell and the lobster clasp, and then here's where I have the closed 6mm jump ring. So it's very fluid. I like that about pearl knotting. Honestly, I think I do better with macrame, but I wanted to try it, and I may try it again just because when I haven't waited to the last minute and you know, once again, and trying to rush to get it done. All right, guys, that's all. I'm going to let you go. Please visit all the other people who are participating in this collab. We post every month on the 18th, hopefully at noon Eastern. That's the time we're supposed to post, everyone. Not before or after. But I understand sometimes life throws a curveball. And if you're just a little bit late, that's okay. Yeah. All right. Anyway, have fun. Enjoy what everybody's made. The whole idea is have fun. Try new things sometimes, you know. And the pearl knotting, the knotting technique, what didn't have to be pearl knotting, wasn't optional. And not everybody might do that. And I understand. I might not do that. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great day and a great weekend. Bye.